Jeff Rowe from Two Hacks Garage. Well, it's nighttime, it's cold, and what are we doing? Well, we just wrapped up Project Dazed and Confused, that 1971 Chevelle that we decided to make a whole lot more reliable and a lot better with drivability. So guess what, guys? It rained, it washed all the salt off the roads. We're actually getting a break from the winter. So what we're gonna do tonight is try to capture our best durability, even being dark, of us taking this for a test drive to make sure everything works. Mind you, we did new exhaust, we did a whole bunch of service on this, converted things to disc brakes, and put on that new Holley Sniper EFI 2 kit. As you can tell, it idles really smooth. We have had no issues with it so far. So we're gonna go actually test this thing out, make sure everything works right, because when we do something, we do wanna make sure that it works right, and this car's ready to go in springtime. We don't want any problems. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna go for a test drive, check everything out, make sure everything's kosher, make sure it's cool, make sure it's up to Two Hacks Garage standards. I'm really cold. These guys are waiting on me. We got to go for a test drive. It's time to take this Chevelle out on the road. See you soon. Well, there you have it, guys. As you saw, I followed them, make sure everything was going well. They said the brakes work great, it shifts smooth, all good on that. Runs nice and cool, even though I know it's cold out, still was running where it should be. Didn't miss a beat. As you saw, Kyle and Brad, they took it down the road, made a few pass-bys, hopped on it. That thing really moves. Even goosed it a little bit, but nothing crazy. Like I said, this thing is still learning. But you know what, guys? This thing's got a whole lot of power. We're going to find out how much power it's got later on. but I just wanted to go for a quick test drive, make sure everything operates. We're good to go on those brakes. All the service we did on it, that's also good to go. It's operating as should. It's got power and it sounds good. You know what, if you saw in that video going over the bridge, sparks a little bit, we might have to adjust those cutouts. Other than that, this one's 2 hacks approved. It's ready to rock and roll. Springtime, this car is going to be a whole lot of fun. Project Dazed and Confused, it's wrapped up now. Good to go. Next project, Project Man Down. Yep, Eddie Chevelle, it's got problems, but we're going to get him back on the road too. With that, guys, it's cold. I'm rambling. I got to get in there and work. See you next time. Later.